Hello students, today we are taking chapter number 2 from People and Economy, and chapter name is Migration. What is migration? Migration is an activity which is totally based on the movement of people from one place to another, means from origin to destination. If any person or any people moving, this is called migration. So firstly, in your book, a story is given of a person, Ram Babu. He is working as engineer in Bhilai Steel Plant, Chhattisgarh, and this complete story of Ram Babu explains the condition of migration from one place to another for better job opportunities or for better living standard. After that, we are talking about the Indian diaspora. Indian diaspora, this one is a concept in which different conditions on the basis of time from the early period, after that the British time, and after that the present Indian scenario is created by the writer of the book. In this particular concept, this is known as Indian diaspora. Now, streams of migration, different conditions we have, different situations we have, by which many kind of living standards and many kind of people are totally affected or infected. So first stream is rural to rural. If any person moving between one rural area to the other rural area, so this one is a kind of migration in which migration between rural to rural area. After that, urban to urban. According to rural area, urban to urban area movement is known as the second formation. After that, urban to rural, due to some basic problems, due to lack of money, many peoples are not able to live in a urban standard. So all these peoples reflect their conditions on a particular rural area, and this particular rural area is useful for their livelihood, and this one is a third kind of migration. After that, rural to urban, this one is very common migration procedure in which many villagers who are live in a rural area quit this particular place, and after that going to an urban area for better job opportunities and for better living standard. So all these kind of migration conditions are known as the streams of migration. After that, spatial variation in migration, different areas, different conditions we have. Many states like Maharashtra have more than more than 10% people are migrated from different areas. In Delhi, all over countries people are living together, and some areas like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar have minus condition, negative condition of migration, because all these areas are not so developed. So due to this particular reason, many citizens or many people of that particular areas leave all these places. After that, causes of migration, this one is a very big issue. Many kind of conditions, many kind of practical situations are present in front of the citizens, and due to all these conditions, for better life standard, for better living conditions, for better job opportunities, for better education, for better sanitation, for better health, and many more conditions, many peoples are migrate from one place to another. After that, consequences of migration, we have different consequences of migration in this chapter. First one is economic consequences. By migration, we are able to improve our economic condition by making different kind of practical projects, by making different kind of working methodologies, by joining in different areas and companies for proper life standard. After that, demographic migrations is totally based on the physical feature of any area. If physical feature is very good the plain area is available over there, and the right quantity, adequate quantity of water available there. So all these kind of situations are totally based on the demographic consequences, and after that some social consequences. Many people live with the same culture, many people want to live with same traditional peoples, some peoples want different kind of languages and many more things for their living standard. So these kind of all migration procedures and all these causes are considered in this particular social migration or social consequences. After that, environmental consequences. Many places are not sufficient for some people. Many destinations are developed in all over India, and many tourist spots are made up for tourists and some major peoples who are living in different countries and different states. So all these peoples have different environmental conditions and want to change their lifestyle and want to change some lifespan of their life, and due to this particular reason he or she opt this particular environmental area, new area, for their better living standard. And according to book, ultimately leads to unplanned growth of urban settlement. Many areas have the concrete jungles and different situations of heavy pollution, and all these peoples and all these working persons are not able to give their best in the lifestyle. So all these of this particular condition, and this condition is known as the environmental condition or environmental consequences of migration. After that, some other concepts are over here. Migration affects the status of women directly or indirectly. In this particular chapter, causes of migration, in this concept, some people migrate from one place to another place for better job opportunities, for better education, health facilities, and many more. But basic concept is always running together. This one is marriage. By marriage, many females are unable to live in their own state or live in their own area. So the place of destination is totally changed. Due to this, many areas have different conditions for females and have many different kind of data of females migration. So all these conditions are the basic or fundamental of this particular chapter's name, migration. And many other some points are also considered over here for better mineral quantity, for better life system, and some better situations for a better life. Many people want to migrate from one place to another. So the basic condition of this particular migration chapter is a situation by which many peoples are affected and not able to live in a particular place. This is called origin, and move to the another place, and this is called destination. So this is all about this chapter. So please read carefully and go with this all particular concepts. This chapter is really very helpful for your marks as well as for your better future. Okay, thank you.